What's up, everybody? I have not taken enough update videos at all. Actually, I haven't really taken any update videos. I made the one the first day I got it here, and that was it. So since then, let me catch you up. The carpet and all the furnishings from the living room are gone. This is actually the dresser from the bedroom. The dresser is built with no back. Even the drawers don't hold themselves up until you screw them into the wall. So that was all the progress up here. Bedroom carpet is gone. And clearly we discovered that the floor continues. So it's just one big piece. It just has 1,000 little staple holes in it. They kind of blend in, they kind of don't, but it's better than nothing right now. Bedroom slide, carpet got removed, and I discovered a problem. It was black and wet over there, so I went outside and took the bottom piece off to expose to see how wet it was. And then I saw a bunch of swelling over here, and then I was on the other side, but I put my hand up and finger came right through it. So this entire slide floor will just get replaced with a new piece of wood. I'm just not going to be able to do that right now. It'll probably happen in a few weeks. I'll most likely end up having to move into it for the most part. Probably just not use that slide or put any weight in it. Sleep over here in the bedroom area until I replace that. But that's where we're at. Most of the things have been removed. I gotta go through here and still get all the little staples out. I've got most of them out. I need to do another double check on the floor. Open everything up, and then tonight I'll be setting off a bunch of bug bombs, and then we'll come back tomorrow on Saturday, and most likely the process of finally wiping down all this yellowy smoked stuff will be gone. It does smell better in here than it did on day one, but it's definitely still apparent that it was a smoker's RV. So anyway, that's the catch up so far. I will get you back as soon as I find another update for you. It is so hot in here right now, though. Whew, gonna be sweating a lot today.